Alrighty, let's check out the patchwork and the Sseal job over here. Looking like $1,000,000. Just got done doing the Sseal job, 2 coats, like about 5 minutes ago. So there's a little bit of inconsistencies until this actually dries completely, right? But overall, you remember the first picture? This looks like $1,000,000 now. When you call a pro, you already know, 561-907-9541. Compared to what this was and how old this is and how bad this was, the patchwork, the cleaning, and the Sseal looks really, really good. You can't get any better than that. That's really nice. When you call a pro, you already know. No stuff in the pool. We cleaned the cage, we cleaned the house, we cleaned the deck, and patched it, sealed it. No stuff in the pool, as you can see. 561-907-9541.